Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials Point. Today I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram following or followers list. It's a very simple process. You just need to tap on Instagram, open the app. After opening the app, you can see at the bottom right corner there is profile icon. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you can see there are various options here, and you can see at the top right corner there's 3-line icon. Just tap on it. So after tapping on it, you can see various options like settings, archive, your activity, QR code, saved. So there are various options. So just you need to tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you just need to go on privacy. So the privacy is the third option. After following, invite friends and notifications, you need to tap on privacy. After tapping on privacy, you can see that private account. You can see the private account. It's already on private. So I have switched it to public. So what happens is, if you switch the private account, you just need to tap on it, tap at the private account, and you will see this option switch to private. Tap on switch to private. So after you switch to private, your account becomes private, so the people who doesn't follow you on Instagram can't view your followers or following list. So this was the way to hide your followers or following list on Instagram. If you find this video useful, please like and share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.